Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Bugio dash cam front, and on the right we have the G-Maypop dash cam. Get ready for an epic battle of features, performance, and value. Let's kick things off with video quality.
Both cameras offer impressive resolution, but which one will give you the sharpest and clearest footage? The Bugio dash cam front boasts a 1080p Full HD lens, providing outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision. Plus, it features a 3-inch super large IPS display, allowing you to see every detail when playing back your recordings.
On the other hand, the G-Maypop dash cam takes it up a notch with a real 4K+1080P dual camera setup. That's right, Ultra 4K in the front and Full HD 1080p in the rear.
You'll be capturing every road sign and vehicle plate with crystal clarity.
Plus, with its wide-angle lenses, you won't miss a thing.
Now let's talk about night vision. Driving at night can be challenging, especially when it comes to capturing clear footage. The Bugio dash cam front comes equipped with Ultra HD night vision features, including a large aperture and advanced technology to ensure the clarity of images in low-light environments. No need for an auxiliary light source here. But wait, the G-Maypop dash cam also brings its A-game with crystal night vision and HDR function to cut down on glare and reflection.
You'll be able to capture those important moments even in the darkest of nights.
Now let's dive into the extra features that these dash cams offer.
The Bugio dash cam front comes packed with powerful functionalities.
It has a G sensor that saves video evidence of collisions, loop recording to automatically overwrite unprotected files, and even motion detection to start recording when it detects movement. Plus, it offers superior night vision, parking, monitoring, and more. On the other hand, the G-Maypop dash cam also shines with features like accident lock, 24/7 parking, monitoring, and optional inside rear camera installation. You'll have peace of mind knowing that it captures vital evidence and continuously surveils your parked vehicle.
And there you have it. The Bugio dash cam front and the G-Maypop dash cam battled it out in multiple categories.
While both cameras offer impressive features, the G-Maypop dash cam takes the lead with its 4K+1080P dual camera setup, advanced night vision, and comprehensive additional features.
Remember, it's important to consider your personal needs and budget when choosing a dash cam. We hope this comparison helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and buy smart.